Hey, future wealth builders, welcome to the New Wealth Wave podcast. This is Dr. Joaquin Wallace, and guess what? We have a new episode alert. This episode delves into stage 2 and 3 of the generational wealth model. To help navigate both stages with me will be Saundra D, MSFP, APFC, MCC, FBS, CSC. I know that's a lot of alphabets. She's also recognized in her steadfast commitment in financial well-being and is regarded as the financial coach's coach. Saundra is a dynamic speaker and trainer. She's also a Navy veteran and lecturer at Golden Gate University, while holding the position of Director of Financial Planning at Golden Gate University. This promises to be an enlightening episode, so make sure you bring your notepad and take plenty of notes, as she will be dropping some gems on this episode. To tune in, subscribe to the New Wealth Way podcast on your preferred platform. If you prefer a visual experience, okay, we got you there too. You can find us on YouTube by searching for the New Wealth Way podcast. So, future wealth builders, are you ready to ride the wave with me? Be sure to mark your calendars and catch this impactful podcast episode on April 23rd, 2024. Remember, generational wealth begins with generational knowledge. I'll see you on the next New Wealth Wave podcast.